Hey guys, Fair Details Retail. Okay, today we're going to show you how to do carpet cleaning or upholstery cleaning. So we got some bar stools here. They're pretty spotted up. They're microfiber. So now you gotta be careful with microfiber. Some of them don't. Some microfiber, if you get it wet, it just rolls. It stretches like unbelievable. Some microfiber, you can get it wet and it's just perfect. So we got to be kind of careful that we don't oversaturate. So, we're gonna start off by just giving it a little wet down and see how much dirt we can pull. You always should try to get as much dirt out first and see where it is at after that. So, okay guys, here we go. See, I can't tell when you get everything all wet yet. So the next step, guys, is I can still see dirt in there. I know it's there. Is I'm going to take my stain remover. We're going to use the Febreze. Shake it up. Foam it up, alright? And I got my small brush. I'm going to agitate. Trying to work the dirt out. This also brings up the fiber that is smashed down. Make sure you get your edges good. Okay, now I'm going to retake that and retract that out. some reason my wand is dripping. I don't know why, but it's dripping. So I'm going to cut this off for a second so I ain't dripping out my wand anymore. Okay guys, now next what you want to do is I extracted most of the dirt, right? It's still pretty wet. So I'm going to take and go get a clean white towel, and I'm going to foam over it again, and I'm going to rub it with the towel. Okay, now I'm going to go over with my finished little... Now I'm not going to go real heavy on this, guys. I'm just going to really just try to take a little bit on it. Got my clean rag. I'm just going to give it a wipe down. See how much dirt I can get up. So this is where you can usually check your white towel. See, I got it pretty clean. I'm not transferring much dirt. Right now we just stick that out in the sun to let it dry. Well, I might take and just go over with the brush one more time. Try to lift fibers up. See, I'm getting some stretching here in the corner. When I try to make sure that's put away and dry when it dries, so it don't become a roll ball. All right, so now you guys aren't gonna be able to tell this because it's all wet, but when this thing dries, it's gonna dry up real nice. And I'll show you that when it's done drying up. Okay. Now, if you guys have any questions about this stuff, make sure to comment in the comment box. I mean, I have over 12 years of experience in the carpet cleaning industry, running a carpet cleaning business, so I'm pretty knowledgeable about most of the stuff. So all right, so let's let it dry, and I'll come back and I'll show you when it's dried. And if you have any other comments, send me some comments. I'll answer your questions. Okay guys, this is a real simple one, real quick. Next I'm going to be doing the Dirty Max. After this I'm going to do the interior, get that all spiced up nice. So yep, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Like the video, subscribe, like I said, comment, ask questions. If you're in the Green Bay area and you want to know who the best carpet cleaner is, I can't even tell you that anymore. It's been, you know, I'm out of the business long enough that I don't even know who's out there anymore. So guys, I won't be able to help much there. Alright guys, they're pretty much almost dry. As you can see, they're all looking pretty good. So even you too could do this.